Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of October 22nd, 2021. Here are some upcoming events. The Elementary Scholastic Book Fair is next week. We still have a few openings for parent volunteers. Shifts are 8:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. and 11:30 a.m. to 2 p.m. Please email me if you're able to volunteer to help. Students will come home with wish lists of their favorite books. Parents can send in money if you'd like your child to purchase books. On Friday, October 29th, we will have our storybook character parade for grades kindergarten and first grade. If parents would like to view their child in the parade, please come to the school before 8:30 a.m. and parents can watch the parade from the mulch in the playground. I can't wait to share pictures and video with you next week. November 3rd, our secondary students will have a chance to go shark tagging. There are only 13 spots. Get your money in ASAP. Thursday, November 11th is a teacher workday. No school for students. November 18th will be picture, makeup, and retake day. Monday, November 22nd through Friday, November 26th is Thanksgiving break. We had such a fabulous turnout at skating night that I've scheduled 2 more skating nights. One will be February 10th and another on April 14th. Here's a message from our administration.
Hello parents and students. 3rd grade tutoring on Tuesday, October 26th will be canceled. So you will go home during your normal dismissal process.
Hi PBMA families, it's Mrs. Smith, the principal at the elementary campus. We're working very hard still, and the trimester is soon coming to an end. The last day of our trimester is November the 10th. Please make sure you have been in communication with your child's teacher and you're up to date on everything academically. I look forward to seeing report cards, and those will be coming home the week after.
We celebrated Unity Day last week by wearing orange to show our acceptance of others. Miami Lighthouse is coming to both campuses of PBMA to provide students with free eye exams and free glasses if they're needed. They are coming to give exams next week at the elementary campus and in mid-November for the secondary campus. I will resend the sign-up links once more. Please don't miss the chance to sign up for this great free service. Miss Owen's kindergartners blew up balloons without using their mouths. They used baking soda in the balloon and vinegar in a bottle. The children squeezed the baking soda out of the balloon to join with the vinegar. The chemical reaction released a gas that blew up the balloon. Elementary students brought home fundraiser packets this week. If students sell 7 items, they're invited to a chocolate fountain party in addition to other prizes. Students had a great time at the fundraiser kickoff assembly. Last week was Spirit Week at the secondary campus. Students brought their books in anything but a book bag. High school dressed as babies, toddlers, adults, and senior citizens. Another day they wore sports jerseys, and they even wore clothes from the 80s, 90s, and 2000s. 5th grade went to Loxahatchee River Center where they dissected squids. Let's hear all about it.
Okay, would any of you like to say where we went on our field trip yesterday? Go ahead, Eleanor.
We went to River Center.
Okay. And what did you do there, Aiden?
We looked at the environment where fish.
Okay, anybody want to add to that?
Where different fishes live.
Okay. What were the 3 areas you saw in the museum part of the field trip? You saw fresh fish that lived in the freshwater aquarium and some of the plants. Do you remember what aquatic animal they talked about in the freshwater part?
Turtles.
Turtles. What else? Some people like to eat them and they're bivalve, remember?
Clam.
Not clams, but
Oysters.
oysters. Okay. What was the second spot that we visited in the museum?
Estuary. With the
What is an estuary?
The estuary is when the salt water and the fresh water combine.
Sure. And what is that kind of water called?
Brackish.
Brackish. Very good. Okay. Where was the third spot that we visited?
The ocean.
The ocean. All right. And that was the first part of our trip. What was the second part? Or for some of you, it was the first part.
Dissecting squid.
We dissected squid. Okay, what did you see when you dissected squid? Go ahead.
We saw 3 hearts.
It had 3 hearts. What else can you tell us? Anybody have anything? What was the top part of it called that you opened up?
The mantle.
The mantle, all right. How many arms and tentacles did the squid have?
10. 10.
Uh-huh.
10.
Okay, it had 10 altogether, but how many arms?
2.
And how many tentacles?
8.
Yeah. And what about the mouth? What did you?
The beak.
The beak,
We got
okay.
tweezers and we took the beak out to examine it and it looked like a bird.
What did we do with the squid?
We fed them to the fish.
And that was pretty wild to see the fish going crazy for their food.
Yeah.
Alright, so this tank is our freshwater tank. So these are freshwater animals. These are animals that will not live out in the ocean.
Here are the secondary honor roll students. Please like Palm Beach Maritime on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you will be informed of the newest information. I'm Mrs. Cooper and this is Bailey. Thanks for watching, and remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.